AOPS Volume 1 The Basics number 31. The number 66 is divided into smaller numbers. One number is 3 more than twice the other number. Find the larger of the two numbers. So when reading this, when I was first reading this at least, I got confused with the very first statement that the number 66 is divided into smaller numbers. So from personal experience, I just would like to say that as a precaution when approaching word problems like these where a number is divided into smaller numbers, based on the context, it is either division or summation. And what I mean by this is 66 can be divided into 6 times 11, or 66 can be equal to 6 plus 60. They both work, but meaning on the certain criteria, we must understand whether we're taking the summation or the multiplication, or rather the division of the certain number. So with that out of the way, this question is just asking that 66 is divided into the sum of two numbers, not divided. 66 divided by some quantity, that is not what the question is asking for. If you do that, it will be wrong. So yeah, just a little info and a little tip at the beginning. So as always, let's utilize the information and assume what we're trying to find for. The first number, let's call that x. Let's call the second one, let's call that y. So x plus y must give us sum of 66. And also, one number is 3 more than twice the other number. So meaning that x minus twice the other must give us 3. And with the system of equations, we can solve it. And let's call this equation 1. Let's call this equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, so equation 1 minus equation 2, will give us 3y is equal to 63, hence y is equal to 21. And if y is equal to 21, x is equal to 66 minus y, which is equal to 66 minus 21, which is equal to 45. So the first number is 45, the second number is 21, and the larger of the two numbers is 45, the answer to our question.